after a big storm. Say weird and stop it, Spotty. And then there's all this hail. Say that? Hail. Yay. Yay, Spot. See, eat the hail. Yum, 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 yum. It's part of the Spotty. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. So yeah, moving on. Yeah, there's a really big flood. Out in front. You know, like in front of all spots. Okay. Yeah, he's my goat doggy. So sexy. And no! Dang it, but there's a big flood right here. And I put paper in it. And let it float around. And that's what it looks like. Yeah. Fast. It was so scary. I gotta go through Mrs. Green's. This really big flood at the river. This is even more scary. The water's so high. See up here. It used to be way down and not that weird. And floods are everywhere. Floods are everywhere. No! He drowned it. No. This is all water. High spots. And yeah, really flooded. So I mean, like, I can swim in this. No, flower, no! I almost just dropped my iPod. Yeah, it's really wet right here, and I'm sinking. The end.